I have voted this time, and I think a couple of things which are very important for the Delhi election this time is that we have a repeat election within a year. I think this exercise of repeated election has to be avoided, and we should look for a couple of things: stability of the government, erosion of corruption, comfort to the public, both in public offices as well as when they are on the roads, public safety, inflation. These are the key things which I think is very important for making a decision. As far as I am concerned, I have decided on this fact.
Hi, I voted for women's security, cleanliness, no pollution and a better transportation for the city of Delhi.
मैं अपना वोट उस कैंडिडेट के लिए डालना चाहूँगी जो हमारे देश में से करप्शन हटाए, पहली चीज़, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ही काम करना होता है, आपको कुछ टिप देना होगा तभी काम होगा.
I have come here to vote for the party who give development, stability and good governance and progress of Delhi, and what are the problems we are facing, that should be resolved in a time bound manner and a systematic manner.
I'm hoping to see much better infrastructure in Delhi, even though it doesn't come under the state government. I'm hoping they'll persuade them to make the roads better, clean up the spaces, and above all, I'm voting for the safety of the women in Delhi, so that I can walk on the street at 11 o'clock at night and not worry about it. Even though the police is not under them, but still they will work for it. And I'm working for a better interaction between the local government and the central government.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज़ पेपर पे बनती हैं वो पेपर पे से निकल के कम से कम हर वर्ग तक पहुँचें, कम से कम हर समाज के हर वर्ग तक आनी चाहिए. सबसे बड़ा इशू तो ये है किसी भी क्षेत्र की पॉलिसी पेपर पे बन के रह जाती है, उसको आने में बहुत समय लग जाता है, 5 वर्ष का समय निकल जाता है, उसके बाद जाके वो सरकार बदल जाती है, फिर वो फाइल बंद हो जाती है. तो सबसे बड़ा इशू तो ये है.
I think the basic issue is the security for women today here. I feel, well, I've grown up in Delhi and I never felt so unsafe, say about 15-20 years ago through my college years, etc. But now I hesitate sending my young daughter out even to a local marketplace, and even safer, so-called safer colonies like in South Delhi, like Vasant Vihar, etc. There are still people, young men, boys, all sorts of people eve teasing, pulling girls' dupattas off, chain snatching, etc. So I would say that the basic thing would be to bring in a safer environment for our children today.
I think I would be voting for primarily to ensure that Delhi becomes a safer and a cleaner city. We need to see overall development in infrastructure. So any government that's willing to take those points forward is somebody I would try and bring into power.
Today I'm voting for a party that doesn't put out a vision document but has a vision, and it's really important to me to have a government which is transparent, accountable, actually cares about the people and the constituency who are voting for the party. A party that's approachable, that believes in equality and justice and communal harmony. A party also that has the potential to reimagine what our city and our country can be and somehow pull it out of this sort of swamp that we find ourselves in. And it's so easy to be pessimistic and to believe that change isn't possible, but it's really inspiring to be able to vote for someone who sees something different than what we are so used to seeing.